As many as 40,000 new apartment units could be built along the rail route between Middle Street and Ala Moana Center in the next 30 years.
We expect tremendous growth of population in urban Honolulu that will be focused on the areas near the train stations.
And so the Department of Education is proposing developers along a 4-mile stretch of the rail line pay an impact fee for each apartment unit they build to help expand existing schools near rail or build new ones. Right now, there are 13 public schools along this portion of the rail project. The DOE estimates public school enrollment in this part of Honolulu will grow by as many as 9,000 students in the next couple of decades because of rail. So the DOE predicts needing up to 6 new elementary schools, 1.5 middle schools, along with 1.5 high schools along the rail route through urban Honolulu.
DOE is proposing a $9,374 fee for every new apartment built along the rail line from Kalihi to Ala Moana. If an apartment project provides DOE with school land or facilities, then the fee amount is $584 a unit.
The Hawaii State Teachers Association, which represents 13,500 public school teachers statewide, supports the proposal.
There's going to be a point with all these new buildings going up in Kaka'ako that they're going to need new schools. And the question is if we don't have these fees, are we not just going to build these schools, or are schools going to be old before we fix them? The reality is that we need to start the school impact fees now, so we develop this fund so that when our schools need these buildings, we have abilities to fund it.
HSTA President Corey Rosenlee testified that since the average age of public school buildings in Hawaii is 65 years old, he wants the state to go even further.
The HSTA strongly supports this. We really encourage the Board of Education to pass this. We're also hoping that we don't get behind the ball and we do this for other areas as well, so that all new developments have to pay into the schools in which the districts they live.
Following 2 public hearings held this week, the Board of Education is scheduled to consider the proposed Kalihi to Ala Moana school impact fees at its November 15th meeting.